What's up, everybody? Hemi here. Welcome to another video, a vlog style video, that is. We're going to Rockingham, North Carolina for another car show. I have to go to the car wash to wash the car for the show, and then I got to pack and stuff like that. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started.
Hop, hop, hop.
Oh my God!
Oh my, hop, 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 hop.
Oh man. So pack some shit together and stuff like that. But a nice lotion. Medicine. So as I'm packing, I'm gonna get my clothes, got my medicine, got my ice cream, and stuff like that. If you've seen my vlog, my videos in the past, you notice I use aerial footage on some of my stuff. People have asked me, and some of you guys comments, and people have asked me personally, is the stuff mine on those videos? No, it's not. It's other people's videos, but don't worry, I do have permission. Based on their stuff is based off of Creative Commons, and it falls under fair use. This right here in this bag is a drone. I also will be doing my own thing, my own footage, my own aerial footage with it. I also plan on getting my license soon because I'm trying to find another job in the video production field. But I figured, I did some research. Why not become a drone operator? I made good money. It's fun. This shit is hella fun. I ain't gonna lie. And it makes it look very professional if you do your own stuff. So, with that being said, let's cue the montage of going to transferring to Rockingham. Roll music, maestro. Well, I got one of the show cars here. Actually, this was running at the drag strip, apparently, from what the guy was telling me. Man, this car is nice. Oh yeah, she said I'm right. Look at them slicks on the back of that shit, man. I wonder if that's actual carbon fiber too. It probably is. I can't wait to see this thing tomorrow. Alright. So it's about 8 o'clock in the morning. I just ate breakfast and stuff. Yeah. So I found out today, not today, when I got to the hotel, I always check the time frames of when they're going to start rolling in cars and stuff like that. That they're not rolling in until this afternoon, and it lasts till midnight. I ain't staying for the whole thing. There's no way I'm gonna stay for the whole thing because I gotta edit this video and stuff like that, pack and get ready to leave tomorrow. So what I'm gonna do is I'll probably stay till they show. I'll stay until the awards, which is probably around 8 or 9. Get back to the hotel, edit and stuff, and then go from there. It's gonna be a jam-packed day. So it's gonna be a jam-packed day. So there's gonna be plenty of footage. I got a lot of editing. That's why I'm not staying. That's one reason why I'm not staying till midnight. The other reason why
why it's just super late, and I don't feel like staying that late. And all the cars and stuff, and then traffic. I'm not trying to deal with all that. So, with that being said, let's transition to the pressure.
Did he fail? Did he fail? Did he fail?
No, he didn't fail, but he almost, but no, he didn't. He still lost though, he couldn't catch it this time again.
That bitch loud in the motherfucker.
Yeah.
Damn. I thought that motherfucker was quiet down. That shit.
I'm about to say that's disrespect.
He probably would have had him.
Yeah.
Yeah, they no joke, man. Fuckers are no joke.
All right, y'all. That's basically it for this vlog. I definitely appreciate everyone who came out and watched. I definitely appreciate everyone that was at the show, all the races, all the racing. Even though it was bullshit that people don't fucking listen and how disorganized the drag racing part was. That's why I didn't get much footage of the drag racing. Also, too, I noticed that they didn't give all the awards. Like, there was no best exotic. Well, technically, there was no exotic cars there, but they left like a couple other ones, like best shitbox and best JDM, best KDM, all of those. They left all those out. So I was kind of disappointed about that, because I was hoping they were gonna announce best shitbox, because I sure as hell would have won that shit. But that's okay. Anyway, appreciate everyone who came. Appreciate everyone if you made it this far watching this video. I'll see you guys next time. Take it easy.